Okay, it's time to start the 4C kit. 3 bags, 3 trash bags. We're putting in that first because that's going to be the thing that's going to be needed first and foremost. If I need to, I can use this as a water thing, maybe. And it's not that bad. So that. Let's get there. Let's get all 4 of these. Put them in a row. I'm gonna show you how I do this too. So I don't have the knives that I need right now. Let me get these books out of the way, and they're gonna fall on the ground because why would they not fall on the ground? You're not falling. Screw you. So anyway, yeah, I'm using 3 of these. 1 shelter, 1 for the laying down, 1 for the, and 1 for everyday use. Like whatever use I could find for it. Now, I do this. I stack these up, 1 by 1. Do not fall. You frig. Now, by the way, these have 4 things on them, so yeah, let's do this. First, let's do this. Let me show you how I do this. Okay, do this. And I start by rolling it as tight as possible. I roll this as tight as possible. Start it in tight as possible, Okay, tight as possible. Okay. Tight as possible. Put it in here. I did my budesonide, by the way, so yeah, it will fit in here like that easily. Then we get a cup. I know what type of knife I will be using, so let me wash it off real quick. I know one of them I'm using. You know what I could do? You know what I could actually do? Since I have 1,000 of these freaking things anyway. Look, since I have like 1,000 of these. Oh, I know what I could do. Screw that. Let's put in. So 1, 2, 3. Yep. I am going to put in this since I don't have any use for it right now. I don't have it in a kit right now. So let me wash it off real quick though with this. I'm thinking about the lyrics for a song I'm doing. So let's just do this quick. Bam, bam, shibbity boom boom. Let's do this. Yeah. We get, here's a hand towel. Here's a hand towel. Now what we'll do is I'm going to actually wipe it off. This is my little buck knife. So might as well have a buck knife. It's a pocket. Sometimes I will be doing. Oh wait, I know what I could do for 2 knives. Screw that. I have it over here. It's easier. It's lighter. Do this. Bam. 2 C's. Right? So yeah. Okay, let's wait for that to do whatever. Oh, what I could do is do one of. I should actually do that one because it'd be way. But this would be way better, actually. No. Okay, so combustion. I will buy the combustion. This is why today I'm buying the combustion. So let's just get one of these. Whichever one will open. Flipping great. That'll be great. Yeah. Are you? Really? Well, as someone I watched that says, well, now this is small enough to where I can actually put it in here, and it's not going to do anything. Okay? I'm only going to have this one in here because, yeah, I can easily, I'm going to put in like 1 or 2 bags for accoutrements. Yeah, 2 bags for accoutrements for container, right? Cutting, cover, combustion, container. So we got 3 of 4. I'm gonna put in. You know what? Let's just put this one in here, and then that one in there. It'll make sense. I can easily get like 1,000 of these anyway. So let's just do this cool stuffs. I'm gonna wipe this off because God doesn't need it. Okay, so yeah, I'm putting in. Y'all know I was gonna put this in here eventually. Come on. Yeah. Now let's see if this is. No. How did I see this? Yeah, a little bit of wetness right there, I think. I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna leave this open until. Okay. So yeah. Oh yeah. Now, I decided, you know what, this is gonna be just a. Some of these are gonna be urban based because you don't ever see urban based kits really. You see this woodland kits, right? So, yeah. That's what I'm putting in. Next, the 5C kit. I know what I'm gonna do for knives. Don't worry about that. This is probably going in there. Or actually one of the smaller ones, which would be way better. No, I should do. I should put in the, So yeah, all I need is combustion. I have container. Cutting. Cover. Right? And almost ready. Now, I did 3 of these bags. Why not, right? Because I have 42 of them anyway. Well, 41 I had because I had the one. So yeah. Hope y'all like the start of the 4C one. I'm going to get 2 Zippo lighters. Or not Zippo, but Bic lighters to put in here for combustion. And I will complete this as a part 2. This is part 1 piece. This is Post-Apocalyptic Survival. Showing you how to survive with only a couple C's. Peace.